Welcome back. Now this process may look slightly different depending on which video creator you are using. What you now need to do is you need to upload the clip inside of your video creator so that you can use it and that you can pull it to the timeline. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload the clip and we're going to substitute it for the clip in the scene that you are looking at on your screen, which is 7.1 seconds in length. So inside of Pictory, the way that you do this is you bring your video clip into the upload section. We're going to save it to Pictory. So the video clip is now uploaded to Pictory. It's in our upload section. That means now that we can pull it into our project. So what we're going to do now is while we're in the scene that we know to be 7.1 seconds, we then want to add this scene and substitute it in for the current scene. And if we click on it, our scene is then added. Now, in order for the new scene to be added, what we need to do is we need to click the preview button so that the changes will be saved to our new video, and the video will now reflect having the clip that we have now substituted. We are now going to click the preview button. Our video duration is still 2 minutes and 51 seconds. It looks like our scene is 0.2 seconds longer than the previous one. So what we want to do now is we want to use Pictory to preview the scene. Now again, this is going to look different inside of your video creator. However, you will be able to take the scene that you just edited and customize and to preview it in and of itself.
Popular niches include technology tutorials, cooking demos, money advice, and fitness routines.
So our video clip actually fits in, and it's based on a customization that we have made. So what you can do is you can make your own customization to the AI by having your own recorded video clip for specific points in the video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.